Good morning, students. Yes, chapter 4, motion in plane. We will continue with some sums. Okay. See, position vector r is equal to alpha ti minus beta t square j. Question A, determine path of motion of particle. And question B, obtain the formula for velocity and acceleration as function of time and also obtain their magnitudes. See, you are given position vector, that is r is equal to alpha ti minus beta t square j. First question is determine path of motion of particle. See, to determine path of motion of particle, you have to obtain one equation relating x and y. And from that equation, if we compare with some standard equation, you will get path of particle. But how to obtain equation relating x and y? First of all, I will compare this equation r is equal to with xi plus yj. So yes, from this comparison we can say okay, here x is equal to alpha t and y is equal to it is minus beta t square. It is minus beta t square. Now we have to obtain one relation between x and y and we have to eliminate t. But see, in equation of x there is t, in equation of y it is t square. So I will square this equation. X square is equal to alpha square t square. Okay, so yes, now I have two equations, y and x square alpha square t square. Why we are taking square of x? Here in equation of y it is t square. Here it is only t. To eliminate t, here we have to do x square. Okay, now if you take ratio of these two equations, that is y upon x square, then y upon x square is equal to what is y? It is minus beta t square upon what is x square? It is alpha square t square. It is alpha square t square. So t square cut. So y is equal to minus beta upon alpha square x square. Minus beta upon alpha square x square. Yes, where beta and alpha they are positive constant. Now y is equal to minus beta upon alpha x square. Yes, we have an equation, that is y is equal to a x square plus bx plus c. Yes, there is only one equation in which we have square of x and only one power of y, and it is equation of parabola, and it is equation of parabola. So yes, if we compare our equation with this standard equation, we can say yes, this equation is of also parabola, so its path is parabolic. So its path is parabolic. Its path is, yes, here it is parabolic. Clear about this? So yes, first question is simple. How to find that question? You are given position vector r, x and y components, okay, and you have to make a relation between x and y components. So yes, you will get your path is parabolic. Okay, what is second question? Obtain the formula for velocity and acceleration as function of time and also obtain their magnitudes. See, position vector r is equal to, it is alpha ti minus beta t square j minus beta t square j. You have to find velocity and acceleration as function of time. First of all, we will find velocity. See, velocity v. Yes, we know that velocity v is equal to it is dr upon dt. So is equal to it is dr upon dt, differentiation with respect to time. Alpha ti, alpha as it is. What is differentiation of t? 1. I caret as it is. Minus beta t square. Beta t square, you know its differentiation 2 beta j. So yes, it is equation of velocity. V is equal to alpha I minus 2 beta t j. Now, how to find its magnitude? Its magnitude we will find its magnitude we will find by V is equal to under root. V is equal to under root. See, I caret, its coefficient is alpha. So yes, x component is alpha, then alpha square plus j caret, it is its coefficient is minus 2 beta t. So yes, it is minus 2 beta t. Here it is its whole square. Okay, so yes, v is equal to, it is under root alpha square plus 4 beta square t square. So yes, it is magnitude of velocity. Okay, another question is you have to find acceleration. Another question is you have to find acceleration. How to find acceleration? Acceleration A is equal to, it is dv upon dt. Where is equation of v? Here it is. So yes, it is d upon dt. What is equation of v? It is alpha I minus 2 beta t. Okay, so yes, A is equal to, here it is, alpha I, alpha constant, its differentiation will be 0, minus 2 beta tj, means it is minus 2bj. So we can write A is equal to, it is minus 2 beta j. Yes, here it is easy to find its magnitude because it is only in one direction. So yes, its magnitude A is equal to, it is 2 beta. While its direction is minus j, it means in negative y axis. In negative y axis. Clear about this? So yes, it is one simple question based on position vector. You are given position vector. First of all, you have to find what is path, then you have to find what is velocity and acceleration. Clear about it? Right now. Okay, next question is, a water pipe lying on the ground has a hole in it. From this hole, water shoots upwards at an angle of 45 degrees to the horizontal. At what height once this stream hit the wall, which is 5 meters away from the wall, speed of water stream is 10 meters per second. See how to solve this question. Let it is wall, ground, hole in pipe is here. A water pipe having lying on ground, there's a hole in it. From this hole, water shoots upward at an angle of 45 degrees. Shoots upward at an angle of 45 degrees. Means this initial velocity, it is, okay, 10, yes, yes, it is 45 degrees. Theta 0 is equal to, it is 45 degrees. Okay, at an angle of 45 degrees to the horizontal. At what height? Once this stream hit the wall, at what height? See, this stream is moving, this stream is moving, stream is moving. At what height? At what height? It will hit the wall. Okay, which is 5 meters away from hole. Which is 5 meters away from hole. The speed of water stream is 10 meters per second. So yes, initial speed is equal to, it is 10 meters per second. Now, how to solve this question? See, which data you are given. You are given initial velocity 10 meters per second. Angle of projection 45 degrees. Okay, stream of water is coming from this point and it hits this wall at this point. You have to find this point. This distance is given 5 meters. So yes, we know that horizontal distance means x component of position vector. Vertical distance means y component of position vector. See, it is not maximum height. This point is not maximum height. Otherwise, we have used equation of maximum height, that is h is equal to v0 square sin square theta 0 upon 2g. But it is not maximum height. Then how to find? Yes, it is horizontal distance, means it is called x. X is equal to 5 meters. It is vertical distance, means you have to find y. Then yes, we have one equation relating x and y. That is, yes, equation of projectile. Okay, what is equation? Yes, we have that equation. Y is equal to x tan theta 0 minus g x square upon 2 v0 square cos square theta 0. If you remember this equation. Okay, if you remember this equation, then yes, is equal to. What is value of x? X is equal to, it is 5 meters. Angle, it is tan 45 degree. Minus g, put value of g 10. Okay, x square, x means it is 5. So yes, it is 5 square. Divided by 2. v0 square, v0 means initial velocity is 10. So yes, here it is 10 square into cos theta 0. Cos theta means cos 45. Yes, cos square 40. Clear about this? Okay, now is equal to 5. Tan 45, its value is 1 minus tan 5 square means it is 25 divided by it is 2 into, yes, it is tan square. Cos 45 means 1 upon root 2 and here it is its square. So yes, I can write it is 1 by 2. Clear about this? So this 2 cut, this 2 cut, this 1 tan cut, this 1 tan cut, okay, and 25 divided by 10. 5 minus 25 divided by 10, it is 2.5. So yes, here it will be 2.5. Okay, yes, question is simple, but you must understand why to use this equation. Okay, you are given initial velocity, you are given angle. What is this data? Yes, this data is value of x and it is value of y. Okay, so yes, this equation you have to use to solve this question. Okay, now next question is find unit vector perpendicular to two vectors 3i plus j plus 2k and 2i minus 2j plus 4k. You have to find unit vector perpendicular to two vectors. See students, if you remember, if we have two vectors a and b, then the resultant vector is perpendicular to both a and b if we do their cross product. If we take their cross product, that is vector product. Okay, because in vector product direction of resultant is perpendicular to both vectors. So yes, first of all we have to find vector perpendicular to two vectors. Let here named a is equal to 3i plus j plus 2k, b is equal to 2i minus 2j plus 4k. Then I will find a cross b because this a cross b is perpendicular to a and both b. A cross b is perpendicular to both, a and b, perpendicular to both a and b. So yes, is equal to it is I caret, j caret, k caret. How to find this? You know very well. Okay, it is 3, 1, 2. Here is 2, minus 2 and 4. Okay, so first of all we will find perpendicular component and then we will find its unit vector. Is equal to I caret 4 into 1, 4 minus 2 into minus 2, it is plus 2. Sorry, plus 4, 2 into 2, it is plus 4. Minus j caret 4 into 3, it is 12. Minus 2 into 2, it is 4. Plus k caret 3 into minus 2, it is minus 6. Minus 1 into 2, it is 2. Clear about this? So yes, is equal to, okay, is equal to, it will be how? See, 4 plus 4, it is 8 I caret. 4 plus 4, it is 8 I caret. Clear about this? Minus 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4 means it is 8 j caret. Clear about this? Then minus 6 minus 2 means it is minus 8 k caret. And it up. Okay, so it is A cross B. Now we have to find its unit vector. See, find unit vector perpendicular to two vectors. A cross B is perpendicular to two vectors A and B, but we have to find its unit vector. To find unit vector, what is formula? Vector upon its magnitude. It is vector. How to find its magnitude? Mode of A cross B is equal to, yes, it is under root 8 square plus minus 8 square plus here it is minus 8 square. So is equal to under root. We can say it is 3 times 8 square. Yes or no? We can say it is 3 times 8. Clear? So yes, I can write it is 8 root 3. I can write it is 8 root 3. Clear about this? So it is its magnitude. How to find unit vector? Unit vector of A cross B is equal to vector A cross B upon its magnitude, that is 8 root 3. Now what is vector A cross B? Yes, here it is. 8I minus 8J minus 8K. What is its magnitude? It is 8. If you take this 8 common, okay, then it will cancel out with this denominator. Then your answer is, it is 1 upon root 3. I caret minus j caret minus k caret. Clear about this? So yes, it is how to find unit vector. Understand data. Find unit vector perpendicular to two vectors. So we have two vectors A and B. First of all, find their perpendicular vector, that is A cross B, its magnitude, and yes, here it is unit vector. Now, how to verify your answer? Is this vector unit vector or not? See, here it is. We have obtained one vector 1 upon root 3 I caret minus 1 upon root 3 j caret minus 1 upon root 3 k caret. If I multiply 1 upon root 3 with each and every term, okay. Unit vector, what is its definition? Its magnitude is 1. Its magnitude is 1. So how to verify your answer? See, if I find its magnitude, I can find its magnitude like this: 1 upon root 3 whole square plus minus 1 upon root 3 whole square plus minus 1 upon root 3 whole square. Yes or no? Yes. How to find magnitude of vector? You know, then is equal to this under root. 1 upon root 3 square means 1 upon 3. Minus 1 upon root 3 square means 1 upon 3. Minus 1 upon root 3 square means 1 upon 3. Then it is under root 3 upon 3. And this is equal to 1. So yes, what is magnitude of unit vector? Magnitude of unit vector is 1. So with the help of this method, you can verify it is unit vector. Otherwise, if you are given any vector, if I have one vector 1 upon root 2I minus 1 upon root 2j. Is this vector a unit vector? Yes or no? How to identify? Find magnitude. If your answer is 1, then yes, it is unit vector. If your answer is not 1, it is not unit vector. So is 1 upon root 2I caret minus 1 upon root 2j caret a unit vector? Write down your answer in comment box.